friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with an amazing refreshing drink recipe. This will surely cool down you as well as make you more energetic. So let's see the video. All ingredients we just need is watermelon, mint leaves, half slice of lemon, a small piece of ginger and sugar. Take a blender and add all the ingredients one by one. Just blend it. Tasty and amazing refreshing drink is ready to drink. It's very easy to prepare and very delicious to drink. So please try it and comment. If you like my video, share, like and subscribe.